I'm about to cover the 5 types of videos that every Shopify or Amazon business needs to have when marketing their products. So if you're an e-commerce brand and you're trying to grow your business substantially and increase your sales volume, then keep watching this video, because these videos that I'm gonna talk about that you need to have are gonna greatly help you in increasing your revenue and growing your business. All right, so before we jump into it, I gotta tell you about 2 things. One thing is the free digital marketing course that you can get access to if you just visit freebosslifestyle.com. In this free digital marketing course, I cover how you build out ClickFunnels, sales funnel campaigns, how you can write copy, sales copy, email copy, copy for social media posts. I teach you how to create content. I teach you a little bit about Facebook ads and how to build Facebook ad campaigns, setting up retargeting. So this is a completely free digital marketing course that you can get access to, again, if you go to freebosslifestyle.com. The other thing I wanted to tell you about is if you are trying to set up a messenger bot for your e-commerce brand and you're trying to grow a subscriber list, then I have a completely free cheat sheet and video walkthrough for that. It's called the 11 crucial features that your ManyChat messenger bot must have. So if you want to get access to that, again, you go to freebosslifestyle.com and you can go ahead and get access to both of those things. So now let's go ahead and jump into the 5 different types of videos that your Shopify or Amazon business needs to have. All right, so the first type of video that you need to make sure that you have is social proof. Forgive my poor handwriting, it is pretty bad. But social proof or video testimonials are massively important because people are going to build massive trust and credibility with your brand if they see other people talking about loving your brand, your products, and loving what they overall purchased from your company. So social proof is insanely important. So you gotta make sure that you have a lot of these type of videos. If you only can get one, then that's fine. You know, I would say interview as many people as you can. Give people incentives for giving you reviews, for interviewing them over a Zoom call and recording that entire conversation and then running that as a Facebook ad. Obviously, you got to tell them that you're going to do that, right? They got to be okay with being on camera and being in front of your entire audience. But having people speak on your brand's behalf or your product's behalf is going to be massively important for building trust, credibility, and familiarity with your brand. Now, the next thing that you got to make sure that you have is a demonstration. You got to make sure that you have demonstration videos showing how to set up your product, how to get it working properly, how to actually use it, what it actually does. Really fully make sure that you have a good awareness out there of how you can use your product. And you know, the great types of videos of these is like time-lapse types of videos where it's like really fast unwrapping a product and then showing them how to actually use it, showing different uses of that product. Because like, for example, this marker, right? You want to show all the different surfaces that it writes on. It writes on a whiteboard, it writes on glass, it writes on just paper if you don't really care about it erasing. So showing that in video form goes a long way. You may think that this is basic, but demonstration videos are insanely important. So the next thing that leads me to is unboxing videos. Unboxing videos are very, very powerful because when you show somebody what the exact package that they're going to get looks like, then they fully know what to expect, so there's no surprises on their end when they get a package that they didn't think was going to happen, or that they get a package that's smaller than they thought it was. I've seen so many internet memes and funny things online where they thought that they were buying a full-sized bike, but actually the bike was like this big, and you know, maybe the pictures didn't do a good job. But unboxing videos are going to get a great idea across of showing exactly the packaging, what's all included, the tutorial little guides inside the packaging, what kind of all accessories come with the product. Unboxing videos are very, very important. And if you're an Amazon business and you're like, well, I can't put all this on my product page, don't worry about it. You can run them as Facebook ads, because chances are, if you're an Amazon seller, you're already running Facebook ads and you're trying to get people outside of Amazon to come and purchase your product on Amazon so that you can rank even better. If you're a Shopify business owner, then this is insanely important because chances are you are relying on traffic from outside in the real world, right? Facebook ad traffic, affiliate traffic, organic traffic just from SEO purposes. So imagine having all these different types of videos on your product page, having an unboxing video showing them exactly what it comes with, having a demonstration video showing them how to use the dang thing, having a social proof video of people talking about how much they love your product and how much this will reduce your return policy, having all these types of videos. So now let's go ahead and move on to video number 4. Okay, so video number 4 is a blog style video. Pardon my horrible handwriting because I never write with my hands, all right? I'm always writing with my fingers, with the typing and the keyboard and stuff. So right now, this may be hard to read, but I'm gonna go ahead and read it for you. Blog style videos. Now these are the type of videos that aren't extremely salesy. They're mostly talking about the benefits that your product brings to the consumer and in a more content type of way. You're not selling and pitching and trying to get them to buy now. These videos are really great for running as a Facebook ad and targeting cold traffic, because you don't want to necessarily target cold traffic with a pitch and with an offer talking about price points and just being insanely salesy, because it's not going to work out too well. People are more willing to engage with content and consume content versus salesy type of messaging. So this is going to be a great introduction for those people that have no idea what your brand is about, have no idea what your product offers and the benefits that it brings to them. So in creating a blog style piece of content that is just talking about the benefits that your product brings, all of the problems that it solves, the people that are most likely to benefit from that type of product, these videos are really great. My team inside the agency create a lot of these type of videos, and it just works so well to generate leads, to generate opt-ins, and to sell products. All right, now the 5th type of video that you need to create is a sales type of video. Now this type of video is for the people deeper in your funnel. These are the people that have already seen your blog style video, have already seen maybe 1 or 2 of these different videos, and now is when you can introduce the offer. You can pitch them and really come across as salesy, because this is actually hitting a warmer prospect. This is somebody that knows about your brand, knows about your product. The trust, credibility, and familiarity is already there, so when you hit them with a price, then it's most likely to actually resonate with them and they'll actually see the value there first. Now, it's very important with this sales type of video, don't hit them with the price and then immediately discount it. You need to price anchor and you need to tell them, look, this is the price. The price is whatever it is, $100. You say, this is a $100 product, okay? And you keep moving forward. This is a $100 product. It does X, Y, Z. It's got all these benefits. Here are the people. And you can bring back social proof into this video. Here are the people that it's helped. Here's Mary. Before she was using this product, her life was crappy. And now that she's using this product, her life is incredible. And she is being more efficient. She's being more productive with her time because she's using this product. And then maybe in this sales style video, you also then move to a demonstration and you show how Mary uses that product. So you can use these different types of, I would say, social proof, demonstration, unboxing inside the sales video. Maybe some aspects from the blog style video as far as benefits, covering stuff like that, could be in the sales video, but this is gonna be the one that really ties it all together, price anchors, and really gets that value across, because they're gonna be thinking, how much is this product worth, right? And then you're gonna be expressing all of that with your value and benefits and everything like that, features and benefits, all that kind of stuff. So you're gonna price anchor with $100. Then down the line, after they fully understand that this product is worth $100, then you drop the price, and that's when people are most likely to either act on buying right then and there, or at least consider buying a lot more strongly. So when you drop the price down the line, maybe with a secondary video, maybe with a flash sale, maybe with a Black Friday discount, or just a very short time deal, you can get scarcity in the mix. You can talk about limited supplies. Only 50 people are going to be getting this discount. You can talk all about that. And so then when you actually say, look, you're not going to have to pay $100, which you would have to pay any other day. If you buy it now, this deal only lasts for the next 24 hours, then you can pay $75. Now, you'll know that you price anchored efficiently when you actually have a lot of people acting on that deal, and if people actually see the value and see it as worth $75. If you still are not seeing people take you up on that discounted price, then you may have failed in one of your previous steps as far as getting across the benefits, as far as the social proof. Maybe they don't trust your brand enough. They're not as familiar with your brand and your products, and they're not going to act on that discounted deal. So you really only want to drop the price occasionally, right? You don't want to constantly be dropping the price, and you definitely don't want to introduce your product when you actually pitch them on that price. You don't want to immediately drop it. You don't want to say, hey, this is normally $100, but today you can get it for $75, because you're price anchoring at that $75 price point. You're not going to be price anchoring at $100. They'll just blow right past $100. They won't even focus on that you said $100 because you haven't concrete solidified that number as $100. They just see it as $75. So you really want to price anchor at that point, and then down the line, give them a couple days of fully understanding that it's $100, then drop the price down, and really use all of these videos as Facebook ads. Use them in your email blast, use them in your messenger bot blast, as on your product page, embedded on there. Create blogs about them. Like, imagine if you created a blog about a social proof testimonial story, right? Talking about Mary and the success story that she had there. You created this whole blog about it. You send out an email blast, you drive them to that blog post, and then everybody that you've gotten, maybe you got them on your email list or your messenger bot list because they downloaded your free lead magnet, right? And in that lead magnet, that's your blog style type of piece of content, right? They're downloading that. They saw your blog style piece of content, which pitched them on the free downloadable lead magnet PDF thing. You got them in your list now. Then you send out a message blast, sending them to social proof. Maybe you do a blog post on the demonstration video or on the unboxing type of video. So you have a blog post about that. And after they visit the social proof blog post, then maybe down the line, you hit them with a message blast, driving them to one of these. And then down the line, you hit them with your sales video, then you hit them with your discount, and you push them to actually converting, and you tell them this is a limited time offer. They need to act now in order to get this price point. So you don't want to discount it too much. I only discounted it 25%. Usually I'd say that's about as big as you want to go. I'd say if you discount it 30 to 50%, that better be like a once a year annual sale, because those are really big discounts and you don't want to completely depreciate your product and everything like that. So I hope these 5 videos really help you grow your Shopify or your Amazon business. I know that I have done this firsthand for a lot of my clients and for my businesses, and these are the 5 videos that I always try to make sure that I get created, because they are massively powerful with selling your products and building that trust, credibility, and familiarity that your brand needs to make sales, grow customers, cross-sell, upsell, grow their audience, all that kind of stuff. Now that you've seen all this, I cover a lot more of this information in my free digital course and in my mini chat cheat sheet and video walkthrough. So head on over to freebosslifestyle.com, get access to the free digital course, get access to my free mini chat messenger bot cheat sheet. There's a ton of value in there. Watch the other videos that I have here in this platform, whether you're watching on Facebook or YouTube. Watch my other videos. I got a lot of great free content that I give away. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to like and comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.